President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. was elated with the decision of the United Arab Emirates or UAE to pardon over 200 Filipinos. The Philippine government expressed gratitude to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan and Prime Minister Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum for their concern and kind heart. The chief executive says the decision was announced during UAE's commemoration of its 53rd National Day.
Mga minamahal kong kababayan, ikinagagalak kong ipabatid na sa okasyon ng ika-53 National Day ng United Arab Emirates, 220 Pilipino ang pinagkalooban ng pardon ni kanyang kamahalan Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Ang desisyong ito, nakaragdagan sa 143 Pilipino na nabigyan ng pardon noong Eid al-Adha, ay patunay na matibay ang ugnayan ng ating mga bansa. We extend, of course, our heartfelt gratitude to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan and Prime Minister Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, whom I also had the honor to meet for this very compassionate gesture. Patuloy na pinoproseso ang mga dokumento ng ating mga kababayan para sa kanilang agarang pagbabalik. Sa kanilang pag-uwi, naway maging ligtas ang kanilang paglalakbay pauwi sa kanilang mahal na lupang tinubuan. Maraming salamat po.